And welcome. This video I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you drag your generator to the level. This here is more or less getting of your fuel tank level. How much fuel you got in your tank. Let's put that to 5 liters. This here is the various sizes of fuel consumption that you can set here. So if you have a large generator, you can put on high, like a medium for medium generator, and slow for a small generator. For now, just for this tutorial, I'll just leave it default. Let's put the fuel consumption rate as 0.5 for the minimum, low min, and low max 0.8. So it uses this to simulate realistic power draw to fuel usage, like spikes in power, and then the generator uses more power to accommodate for that power draw. Then you use more fuel for that. This here is the max fuel level allowed in your tank. So if it's a 20 liter tank, then that's a 20 liter. But we all know that's not the limit of this kind of thing. Let's put it to 30 liter. Yeah, you can set to be on, just to spawn on state. You can also leave all of these values on 0 and put like anything here to have it run infinite, but you have to put something, otherwise it won't start. If you want an infinite generator. So let's test this out. You can press E to interact. Ignition. So next, let's bring in the jerrycan. So you go to fuel level, how much fuel is in the jerrycan. Let's say 5 liters. This is transfer rate. So this could transfer rate min and max. So it will, the flow will be in between those two numbers. Let's say 1.2 liters, 1.5 liters. And then the max fuel that's allowed in the jerrycan is 10 liters, but you can make it higher down here. Let it run. And then when it dies, it's dead. Okay, there's no animation, so just count to 10 while you press E on here. So you interact with this, and then it's up to you to add animations there. Right, now that was the jerrycan to generator interaction. So next up, we're gonna be doing the switch, visual light switch. Also has a always on function. So here's your connected generator, connected to him, to the generator. You have to do that, otherwise the switch won't work. And then let's bring a light, and then connect the light to the switch. I'm just gonna put a bit higher now, 600, and then max this out just for this tutorial video. You can also fill up fuel while the generator is running. It won't cause any problems. can add multiple lights. You can either duplicate lights. You can see both lights are still connected, or you can bring in your light and just select the switch. You can also add more switches to one generator. For instance, there's one switch, there's another switch. This one here. Connect this one to this one. Switch that to generator. And there you can see the whole working. If you want to have a switch be on at default, just tick that button there. You'll see that even though the switch is engaged, there's no light. So all of this is working perfectly. And you have a default switch that's always on position. And you can toggle install. So that's it. If you have any more questions, please do try to check out the documentation provided within the in the project settings. Sorry about that. All you do is click on it and then open all. And if you need any help or whatnot, just send me an email, which is linked in the documentation. Anyways, have a good one. Bye.